Hey my beauties, so welcome back. If you all are new here, welcome to the channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying on the new NYX ButterMelt blushes. Yeah, I wanted to try these on because I figured I was going to come out with blushes because I figured this was going to be a line. You just don't come out with bronzers and not blushes. So ButterMelt highlighters are going to be next. So let's see how these blushes work. Now my skin is going to hate me. I wanted to swatch them on my face. I'm going to do one on each side, wipe it off, and do the next. First shade that I have here is My Butter Half. All right, the next shade is All the Butter. I'm glad NYX decided to branch out and be a little bit more colorful. Had Butter, and this is the bright orange shade. This one is Butter with Thyme. This is gorgeous. I like this shade. That is really pretty. This one is Butter Than Before. Ooh, it's giving cranberry. Now that is so pretty for the holidays. So we're gonna try on this one first. This one is Butter Than Before. Oh, and I will be a little bit dramatic with applying it because I want you guys to see the color. Oh, nice and pigmented. Okay, so this one is Butter Than Before. Oh, that's pretty. Now I feel like with this color you can get a little carried away. That's, I mean, up to you, but I feel like if you do the trick with the you know how you maybe you could go over with some translucent powder or like setting powder to kind of tone it down, you should be fine. But I feel like a little tap can go a long way. This is the one I want to try. This is Back in Butter. Oh, bring it to me. Ooh. Okay, already off back, you don't need a lot. You do not. I mean, just tap your brush. Oh. So this one is Butter and Back. Wait, what? Back and Butter. I'll just switch that around. Oh, I like this shade. It looks like it's a little sheen to these. Am I tweaking or no? That is pretty. You only need a little bit. Oh my God, like I can't wait to wear this. You know how you have like certain products that you know just gonna work together? I have certain bronzers that's gonna mix very well with this blush. Can you guys tell I added some foundation? Okay. All right. Okay, so the next shade, let's try Butter with Thyme. This is like a raspberry shade, I will say that. Like raspberry. Oh. Yeah, I see a little shine going on. Do I like that? I think if, I mean, it's not bad. I think it'll look really, I mean, it looks nice. It's not, it's actually a pretty color. It's giving like a mauvey raspberry color. It's very, it's kind of, it's soft, you know. I don't know why it looks like it's glistening. I don't know. This color is kind of unique on the face. I definitely would like to see what it looks like with a bronzer like mixed in. Okay, let's go in with the NYX All the Butter. Let's go in with that. This is the purple, honey. Let's do the purple. Okay, bear with me. Okay. They kind of look the same. This one look a little pinky. I'm just trying to build it up for you guys. I like that though. Okay, what you all think about the purple? What you think about the purple? I kind of like that. It look like a purple highlighter in the camera. It's like a nice little spring moment right here. It's giving unicorn, iridescent. I'm excited about this one. This is Hat Butter. This is the bright orange shade. So, ooh, let's get it. This kind of smells fruity. This orange one do. Okay, you can kind of see it. Oh wait. So, okay, it's just not a deep orange shade. Yeah, so that's the orange. So don't expect for, at least on my, if you're my skin complexion, but don't expect for like a bright deep orange, if that makes sense. But I mean, it's there, you can see it. Definitely you can use like if you have a orange liquid blush or a cream blush. I think some of these shades in here that I tried that looks a little lighter, definitely top it off on a cream product, and I think it'll pop a little more, because some products need a base and then you top it off with that product. So definitely I will be trying this with some sort of cream. I think don't Elf have an orange, or Juvia's Place, or somebody got an orange cream blush, liquid blush, I'm sorry, cream or liquid, and just top it off, you know, the lighter shade. Ooh. Oh, well, it's kind of giving what that purple one gave. So for the lighter shades, I kind of was expecting ashiness. Don't look bad, but I like this brush here. This is nice. Okay. What do you all think? What y'all think about the colors? And I think I did a pretty good job replacing the foundation back on my face to try these out for you guys. I don't know, what do you all think about the blushes? I personally think that they blend very nicely. They are pigmented. They don't seem patchy to me. They, like I said, it seems like they all have a sheen to them. Hopefully they come out with more colors, like some more deeper shades, some exciting colors. But the colors they have now are pretty decent, but I do feel like these can work really well, at least the lighter shades with like a base. I think they went on pretty well. I think they're really nice and pigmented. I had no problem blending them out. Yeah, and they feel soft on the skin. And you can see the color. That's a win. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you check out the NYX ButterMelt bronzer video that I did as well. And make sure you guys subscribe if you like what you see on my channel. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.